Three fouls! One-on-one, three fouls!
Remember, we need to be aggressive, and if we have advantage and we have a good shot, take it. Now, no doubt. Vale, remember, brave, not coward.
No tengo ningún problema en que hagamos este cambio si llegamos, pero comunicaros. ¿Vale?
You play for defense!
No, that's me. Our execution is shit. That's why we have scored 90 fucking points. It's shit. If you want to play freestyle, not here.
Otra vez uno contra uno. Llegamos allí incapaces. One-on-one. Fake, door shot, right, leña.
One-on-one, and then they kill you. They make one dribble and a layup. They make a foul in the first dribble.
Es que no os porteo la pista, porque me matáis. Porque me matáis, porque vamos a lo sencillo y te meten una puta bandeja. Porque aquí no hacemos blue cuando toca hacer blue.
In offense, we need to improve our execution, guys. And everybody broken the play, set offense, don't use the screen. Desde Simon hasta Howard, Dylan now, Troy, defense, defense.
Turnovers, you know. Too many turnovers. We have to start to play defense again. In offense, move the ball like we move the ball and then attack.
Guys, we are on the game. We are on the game. Put your head up.